Hey guys, welcome to our CB. How exciting day is it? Guess what? Today, we got the alphabet toys magnetic. And they can stick to the refrigerator. And we also got letters and numbers. And we also got plus, minus, times, divide, and equals, even question mark. So let's play this toy now. Okay? So, we got number 8. It's number 8. So we're gonna stick it here. See, it sticks. And we got the letter S. The equals. We got 7. And we got I. And we also go question mark. We can also solve plus, times, divide, and even. Oh, we can do it. So we got N. Oh, this is my favorite letter. It's the letter Q. Then we got letter M. And we got letter K. And number 4. And we got letter U. And letter J. And number 2. 1, 2. And the letter O. And letter X. And if you make X. And we got number 9. And letter W. What else we got over here? We got letter R. Got a lot of cool things. Oh, we got divide. And we got 5. And today, not only letters and numbers we're going to talk about. We're going to learn how to multiply. So we got A. If we're done over here. A. And we got 0. 0. The 0 looks like a donut. A donut. Letter B. And number 5. High 5. Okay. Now we have a 0 again. We got double numbers. And we got letter Y. And letter D. And we got letter F. And number 1. And 7. Number 7. Oh, we got L. 9. He got magnet back. See? And we got number 4. 9. Oh, it is not 9. It's 6. And G. And we got times. We can multiply using the times. And we got number 3. And 8. We got E. And number 2. And we got 3. Okay. Now we can hang a lot of letters and numbers. Minus or subtract. And we got plus. And we got number 1. And letter V. Letter V. This is also my favorite letter, V. And letter T. And we got equals. And we got 6. Okay. Now we got H, right? And we also have C. Yeah, we got question mark. B. It's B. B looks like 8, but it's different from 8. Because 8 is a number. Plus. Minus. And the last we have in this bucket is the sprout. It's letter Z. Z. So now let's learn how to multiply. So this is how you multiply. So multiply is like plus, but because we can use the plus to minus. I mean to multiply. So we can use the plus to times. So we can just like adding numbers, but it is not adding numbers. It is multiply. Example, we got 4 times 3. What is the answer? So let's see what's the answer. How many 4s is it? It's just like skip counting. Multiplies look like skip counting. So this is how you do it. You can change the number. If you change the number 4 times 3 or 3 times 4, it's still the same answer. So example, 4 times 3. How many 3 we need 4 3s. 3, 6, 9, and 12. So the answer is 12. So we can take the 1 and the 2 to make 12. We can take the 1 and 2 to make 12. So 12 is the answer. And if you change it, 3 4s, 4, 8, 12. So it means it's still 12 is the answer. So that's how you multiply. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to have a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button to see more videos like this. And remember to subscribe and always be happy. So bye, and hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you again next time. Bye.